Look no further than the 2020 Kia Forte. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a sporty Kia Forte, the refined compact sedan that offers active safety features, modern infotainment and connectivity, agile handling, and a precise and controlled ride. It's a smooth performer with a subtly rebellious spirit. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: backup camera, floor mats. Don't settle for boring when you could have exhilarating. Get into this refined and spirited Forte. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.